officially here. You cannot beat that view. We're gonna air down, get ready to go run the trail. Hopefully we can get a camping spot. Looks like a lot of people are here, but it's a perfect weekend for it, so let's do it. So yeah, we're airing down the tires. We did about 10 PSI each. We're running the trail for the full weekend from Friday to Sunday, so we're just getting ready for a long weekend out in the woods. Here's the trail entrance sign, and you can see two-wheel drive, not recommended, and I'd have to agree with that one. This is the gatekeeper obstacle. It's basically the start of the trail when you're running it from the bottom up to the top towards Lake Alpine. There's some good camping in this section, and then there's some good swimming. So it's a good place just to play around in if you have some extra time, and it's the start to the trail. There you go. There you go. Now full driver. And now cut passenger. There you go. Straighten out. A little bit passenger. Yeah, this is just a fun section to go through no matter what. If you're going up or down, you're gonna have fun either way. It's a great area to mess around with, and there's some extra bypasses if you want to get frisky. Nicely done. So the whole trail isn't just rocks and rock crawling. There's actually a lot of very nice sections of the trail like this one where you get to cross a river or drive through some forest, and it really makes the trail a lot more beautiful and enjoyable at the same time. So this is my buddy Kehoe's Cherokee. It's a 96. It's in really good shape for its year. He's slowly been putting mods on it. He's got some 1-ton steering, a front locker on it, custom built sliders, 33s, a 3-inch lift. And overall, it's just a great Jeep for him. And he's really beginning to test it out now, and you can see how much he really loves the thing. This is my 2016 Wrangler Rubicon. It's a 6-speed manual. I bought it stock. It's got a 2.5-inch metal cloak lift on it right now, 35-inch tires. Slowly upgrading it, just taking my time, enjoying it.
I got a panoramic from the Cherokee.
Oh, awesome.
Hell yeah. That's where we started right there.
Hey, you really gotta cut it. Very nice. Better than me.
So now we're heading towards our campsite for the night. This is on Friday night. We planned on going to a campsite at the beginning of the trail, but we actually ended up not finding a spot there because we got there too late. So we ended up here, and we weren't upset at all about it. It's actually turned out to be a really beautiful place. An awesome spot to camp for the night. No complaints at all. So we got Kehoe on the grill tonight. He was cooking up some chicken bacon ranch sandwiches, and that was really good. Thank you, buddy. So this is the rest of our campsite, and you can see there's really not much to it. Got 2 tents, a cooler full of beer, some food on the grill, and a nice fire. Can't complain at all. So early in the morning, we packed up all of our trash and we headed towards Lake Alpine. We kept going uphill, and we ran into one of the final obstacles. This is actually a new section within the last 3 years, and it's really starting to get dug out now, turning more into a winch hill than anything. As you can tell, neither of us have winches, of course.
Go back and passenger. Now come my way. Passenger. And you want to turn more driver. So good there. Now driver. Passenger's going to come up. Or not.
Some of the Toyota guys were running this higher line here, and I gave it a go. Wasn't able to get up there. I'm also not a Toyota driver, so that's probably part of the reason. We had a 3.5 hour drive back, both of us did, so we really didn't want to push it on this obstacle. Neither of us had a winch. We were really out here by ourselves, so we kind of just gave it a go at this. Weren't able to make it through, but I think at the end of the day, it was a smart move just to turn around and give it a go another time. Try more driver. Yeah, right there. Try to walk it up. Oh man, it's like so close. Like it wants to just climb up that ledge there, but...
Yep, we got denied.
Nice. Perfect. Passenger? Yeah, right there. Nice and slow. There you go. Woo! Yeah, cut more passenger. Back up a little bit more, straight. You got a big ass boulder right there.
All right, somebody go get the damn saw.
You're good. Watch out for that rock.
That one?
Yeah, that one. Now. Yeah, time to call it. Hey, you gave it a good go, so. Trying to straighten that thing out. Taco's about to be ready. Not mad about that at all. And not a bad view.
Yes, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And with any luck, I'll see you guys out on the trail soon. Take care.